Does your house smell like dirty socks, or you've cooked in oil and it stinks? Well, I'm gonna show you today how to get rid of all those nasty smells in your house that might be lingering, and we're gonna make it smell just like a bakery. You are gonna need a pan, some vanilla, any kind of vanilla will do, some cinnamon or cinnamon sticks, and some water. This is so easy, you guys. All you're gonna do is pour your water in the pan. Turn on the heat. Then you're gonna take your vanilla, add a couple teaspoons of vanilla, then add your cinnamon. Just let that come to a simmer and let it simmer. We have started to come to a slight simmer. When that happens, you wanna go ahead and start whisking up that potion. Ooh, oh, you guys, if you could smell this now, it smells so good. It is so cinnamony, smells like a bakery in here. Now, you could also use nutmeg with this, maybe some ginger if you like the smell of ginger. If you're looking for something maybe fresh and light in your home, how about some lemon rosemary? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know how to remove smells from your microwave, click on the video link right here.